So hi morning, and this is morning time, and this week go quite difficult. Not quite difficult, it was okay for me. I just mingling with people, I just talking with people. So yeah, if I when I see myself, I'm talking with people and I'm evolving with people. I felt like quite good because I'm exploring. So I found that myself quite adjusting or evolving the process. So I need to tell you the people uh, who is the life I am right now in, who is the people who is exactly the the life they are in. If they can relate me, it's okay. This is all fine. Even you are open up with people, even they think whatever it is, it's at the end of the day, nobody gonna give a fuck. So it's okay. And I found that like myself quite opening with. I never see before that myself this much involving with people. So I found that, and I'm grateful for that. And thank you God. Yeah. So this is the part. I am all alone, and I really want to share that it's okay. Sometimes we will be so alone. Actually, I am all the time alone. Like I mostly love lonely and being alone. That's my thing. So it's okay. It's okay. You can do whatever you want. This is very okay. So I am coming to the point. When I see my most influencer is Liz Wizard. So I recently see the uh, the video she posted. Like she she had a trouble. It's like huge one. So I really like the way she is telling to the world which is very terrible. The story is very terrible, but the way she is handling it is like I really admire it. I really admire it because the way her wisdom and the voice of her brain is processing is like very. I really admire. And and thank you, Liz Wizard. I am your pure fan. I can say that I'm your pure fan. You are doing well. You are doing great. What you can. That's all I want to say. And if the people who is watching my video, this is not for anything sharing or any of the thing. This is for the people who is. This is life. This is the life. This is the way. So we have to take the way it depends on our mind which way we are taking another thing. So I'm gonna say that and one more how we can change the mind, the way we taking, how the brain is processing, how we can change that. One tip I can give that I watch the podcast Alex. His name is Alex Horizon. He's like clever, very clever person who is like want to teach us like from zero to something we can win. We will win. So he will teach the skill, the people who doesn't have anything, or the people who are in zero or nothing, any of the thing. He will teach, and I really love the way his presence taking up every single thing. Like he's telling that we can do whatever we want. We will get whatever we involved with. So I really love that. And Nikhil Kamath is like, he's the real guy who's talking about India. The Alex Horizon is talking about how we can do the thing and all the so the strategies work. The Alex Horizon will tell the strategies will work behind zero to something, and Nikhil Kamath will tell about the reality that is working in India. How we can take everything and all the thing. Like I really love that guy. I don't know. That is like he's like very straightforward. Whatever the thing we are in 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 the life, he will talk about that. So I found that for me, Alex Horizon and the Nigel Kamath and give a big ideology behind that work on them, so I can take and use in my life as well. I will try. Not I will try. I will do the best what I can do. That is the whole point. It's okay. We will get wrong or we will not get the result or something. It's okay. But the point is we trying. That is the whole point. And Liz Wizard is the person who give the feminine energy. How we can utilize the feminine energy? That is like I really admire the way she talk about the what a feminine energy can do in a better way. That is I really love about her. And I knew that she is actually I don't talk about that much about her because all the women knew already about her. If people are not know about her, you can watch. Like, her manifestation works on me like hell in a great way. And I already mentioned that this is the manifestations that I am doing, that is she already given. So which is I really love today. I don't know why. Today is like very motivating because I watch the Alex and everyone come with the zero. So you don't have to worry and see. You don't have to. You are giving your best that you can try much better. I will, of course, I will. I do. And I want to tell you that Liz Wizard is like going through a trouble, a rough situation with her life. I got it, and the way she is taking is the most important thing. The way she is taking, and she is spending out to the world. Like, she is splitting out to the world. That's the best thing I ever seen. This much encouraging and motivating a woman I never see in my life. The first time I see, that is her, for 100% sure. Except from my mother. Of course, my mother is the most sacrificing woman for any of the thing. She will sacrifice for me. That is all mother do. So I cannot take more than her. Of course I appreciate her the way she is doing. That is very encouraging. Even my mother can't do that thing. So I really appreciate that thing, and I really want my hand is like breaking like that. So thank you for the dress who gave me this one. So thank you.